We're in Madrid. Got another apartment building here. Look at this lantern. It's an express. My first express lift. Wow! Man, it does. The dorsal looks similar to Westinghouse. It's an express! Oh, just kidding. We're already at the ground. The attic. There's the building. Pretty neat old place. Can you see the door operator? No. That is awesome. My first express elevator. This thing's really tiny too. Even smaller than a lot of the other ones I was in. Wonder if you can see out. Oh, you can. Just barely. Just barely. It's funny, the new company that maintains these is also called Express, but it's a different one. Whoa. I didn't know they had express elevators or lifts in Spain. Oh, that's not a button. Interesting, they have a little bar that lights up in the middle.